GM Bears, the sad Friday morning here. I've woken up and America's dumped on me again. Craig, over to you.
Yeah, Jim, everyone. Yeah, condolences, Greenie. It's a sad day. America's selling off. Obviously, we're talking offline. We go to sleep. America sells. We wake up. We pump back up to 105, 106, and then America sells. So, hello. Hopefully, the Americans are well in profit watching our show, Greenie. Hopefully. No, it's a sad. Yeah, I can see the somber look on your face. There's a few people in the chat. That's good. Oh, half of it's me typing. But hello, everyone. Hope everyone's okay. But what did it pull back to? 97.
97, mate. So we actually took out the swing low. Guys, I'm going to bring energy. You know that. I'm just sad. Because America keeps dumping on our heads when we go to sleep. It's just disappointing. GM Craig, mate, how you doing this fine Friday morning? It's a bit overcast here. We're in for a bit of rain. We're in for a bit of rain this weekend, sadly, up at the North Coast. How about yourself?
Yeah, it's raining here. A little bit colder, it's okay. But yeah, it's raining here. Kind of suits the chart, to be honest.
Yeah.
So that's quite fitting. Am I buying Bitcoin today from El Dorado? Maybe. I did tell myself if we hit 98, I would. So yeah, I might have a little nibble at this level. But shucks, man, is it going to stop? Is it going to stop dipping?
Yeah, we'll dive into it. I've got the headphones on, so it's serious this morning. Serious. But yeah, guys, obviously there's a few people new in the chat. If you are new here, guys, drop a follow firstly, so you know that whenever we go live, when we do go live 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every day, and we go, or Australians, if you're in Aussie, it's 9 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. A few people asking how to qualify for the giveaway. To qualify for the giveaway, you need to, the GTG giveaway, which is valued at $100 for a month for free. You need to subscribe to the channel. It's new subscribers only. Wolfie's just asked, can I gift to win a free month? Wolfie, if you do that at the end of the episode, I will qualify for you. I just don't want you to gift it to people who would like to subscribe themselves first. So maybe Wolfie, wait till the end of the stream today. And if you want a gift to qualify for GTG, then yes, we can sort you out with an entry for that as well. The $900, though, you need to sign up to Yeet, guys. So the 900 buckaroonies that we're giving away today, 1, you need to follow the channel. 2, you should be following us on Twitter as well. And then 3, you need to go over to Yeet and trade some Mick volume. The Mick rib was back this week. So trade some Mick volume over there, guys, to qualify an entry. And there will be, hey, we might be super generous today. And hey, we might even give away some of our own cash. So regular duck, support the channel, and you might be in with a chance. Regular duck. Welcome to the channel as well. Mike Crypto, welcome as well this morning. And Expander, I can't believe you aren't a sub yet, just quietly. Expander, you've been watching our channel for a while, legend. But mate, it's good to be here, Craig. Obviously, the market has shat the bed yet again. What a sad morning to wake up to. I went to sleep with a bit of hopium last night. I was pretty bullish. You got to trade some volume, regular duck, on Yeet. Yep. So you got to use our code, sign up to Yeet, trade X amount of volume. We're not going to tell you where the cutoff is today for the giveaway, but an X amount of volume per week. And we're doing giveaways each week. We're giving away $1,000 cash every week. Expander, don't you smile at me and don't hit that sub button, bro. Don't you smile at me.
By the way.
But yeah, so, we'll be talking about, obviously, the market today, guys. We'll dive into what the charts are showing me. There's some critical levels that we need to probably hold today. Otherwise, it looks pretty shitty for Bitcoin heading back to probably 89K, I'd say. Which just means absolute turmoil for your altcoins and your meme coins out there, Craig. And your NFTs. Oh, I don't know what to do with my NFTs. They're the one thing that I just struggle to sell. It's so weird. I literally have no problem slamming the sell button for everything else except for my NFTs. So I know we can talk about that today as well. It's good to have the headphones on. The mic playback is way better than when I hear it on the replay with the speaker. Maybe my speaker's just trash, but all right, guys, we'll dive in. Obviously, a massive shout out to our 2 partners. Number 1 is obviously OKX, guys. We will be down at Oz CryptoCon next Saturday and Sunday. Sunday morning, we're doing a speech, or not even a speech, not a speech. We're doing a panel. Let's call it a panel with OKX as well. And Craig and I will be there. So come and say hello. Come and listen to us. talk some smack. It'll be the same stuff as we give you every day. Actually, real-based analysis, up-to-date takes. We're not scared to tell it how it is, unlike the majority of people on Twitter, on YouTube, in all these different call groups, etc. We keep it real. We keep it real. So massive shout out to OKX. Obviously, if you're keen to sign up, guys, sign up, trade over $1,000 of volume, and you get $75 for free. That will be changing next weekend. There is a special event. I've been chatting to our partner over there. There is a new opportunity for us to talk about later next week or over the weekend. If you are someone that's dealing with tens of thousands of dollars, let me know, because I have been chatting to a person. I'm not going to dox them, but chatting to a person, and they got a selection of potential opportunities via OKX because they're going to have more volume and more portfolio on the platform. So if that's you, send me a message and I can sort you out as well and give you some different offers that are better than that one as well. GM to you, Chris. GM to you, Ponky. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Angelos, GM to you, Legend. GM to you guys. Yeah. And then obviously our second partner is obviously Yeet. Massive shout out to them. We're up 65K volume now, halfway through the month. Guys, we should be pushing. This should be 150 by the end of the month, okay? It should be 150 based on where we were the first week. 187 members. Massive shout out to Yeet. They will have a airdrop next year. I would assume 40% is going to the community as well. So they are about to put on Sportsbook. I think it's actually live today. I haven't checked, but
I think it is live, yeah.
It is live today. Regular Duck, there is no code word. We do it manually. We do the manually giveaway. We do the manual giveaway at Regular Duck. And it's live. It is live already, but we will do it manually because that's how we like to roll on GC Crypto's show. Cool. Yeah, so Sportsbook, it is live. Yeah, so that's dope. I mean, we need to get access to that, Craig. Maybe you'll have to share your screen on the VPN next time so we can show what the Sportsbook looks like on Yeet. But yeah, massive shout out to Yeet, massive shout out to OKX for partnering with us. Yeah, it's an absolute privilege to create content and be partnered with some pretty cool brands across the world. Well, let's talk about it. I put up a tweet last night before I went to sleep because yesterday I went to sleep. I'll just show you. Hold on.
Hey, there's cricket on Sportsbook.
Is there cricket on there? Oh, that's dangerous.
It's Australian cricket.
That's dangerous. Hold on. Do you want to bring it up?
Yeah.
All right, Craig's going to bring it up. Yeet's new Sportsbook.
Where are we?
Yeah, Eldorado, you need to run a VPN if you want to use it. Yes, it does not currently work in Australia, even though Australia is a betting problem. Can you zoom in a little bit, Craig, please? Yeah, perfect. Oh my God, so you can bet on, oh my God, you can bet on the female cricket as well, it looks like.
Tennis, MMA, Formula One, cricket.
Oh, what even is that? Rising Star. What? This is like a proper sports book of everything then. Real degenerate sports as well.
Yeah, I know. That's good, huh? Table tennis.
That's sick. Okay, that's good. That puts Yeet up there with some of the best in the world, Craig.
Boxing, stock cars. No way. They got rugby. Wow. That's right up my alley. Okay, that's great. Hopefully they got the internationals. Just quick, I know you guys don't care. Let me just see. Do they have all the internationals? Oh, they've got the premiership. Oh, they do. South Africa versus
well, they should, surely. Yes. Can you scroll on the left? Because that's the top sports. You scroll, and then do they have like novelty bets on there as well? Or is it all just sports? Yeah, there we go. Nah, affiliate. Okay. Yeah, okay, no. So it's just, snooker, rugby, darts, cycling, volleyball, NASCAR, boxing, table tennis, ice hockey, cricket, Formula One, golf, MMA, tennis. That's good. Esports as well, baseball. That's good. That puts them up there with like Bet365 and stuff in terms of, hey, what a partner. It's good to be partnered with you.
That's pretty good, dude. I'm stoked. I'm stoked the cricket and the rugby on there, especially the rugby for me, because I follow that a lot. So if I'm going to bet on something, it's definitely that.
Yeah. Dre, Kick is live. You got to go to our channel. It's GC Crypto on Kick, and you got to follow us and subs there. So if you want to, a few people are asking if you want to join the giveaway. First, click sub because that means that you join both giveaways. Obviously, follow the channel if you are new here. We very much appreciate it. But click sub. That'll make you enter both giveaways. You got to sign up for Yeet, which is in the description. I have put it in the chat just before. You got to trade some volume. We're not going to tell you how much volume qualifies for this week's giveaway. We're not going to tell you because that would be cheating, and then everybody would join the competition. So there is a certain requirement of volume this week. But guys, if you are new here, drop a follow. King or with a KH. Welcome to the channel, legend. B Mark, welcome to the channel. Adolf Frizz, welcome to the channel. Great to see some new people tuning in live today as well. I'd love to see that, guys. But yeah, basically, we need people to sub themselves, so that that also helps us go to verification. So if you want to support our channel, no, yeah, there's one winner, but there's $900 today. Yeah, we are, mate. We're doing a $900 giveaway. Hey, $900 giveaway today. We are for one winner today. So yeah, depends. Roxy, what do you mean it's not opening? And also, Roxy, drop a sub. Roxy, drop the sub. I can't believe you're not subbed to the channel, Roxy. All right, let's look at the market, Craig, because we might be pushing up higher here. We might be starting to show a little bit more strength. I want to see that.
Bear trap.
Yeah, is it? Let's talk about that. What I always bang on about things, so let's get your opinion right now. What do you think is happening in the market right now, and what are you feeling right now when you look at a chart like this? Like, what are you thinking? What are you feeling?
I mean, as far as the emotions go, it doesn't feel too good. But I think, look, we're at the bottom of that sort of range we've been at for a while. So, yeah, it's kind of right at the bottom. I mean, I don't like being under 100. 98 is pretty critical, man. So, it's a bit of a tough one. It's been a tough one for ages. I guess it feels worse than when we're at 104 because we're skating on pretty thin ice. I'm hoping this is just a case of we're sitting at the bottom of the channel. We've pulled back slightly. We're sweeping liquidity a little bit lower, and now we can continue up. But I could have said that at about 100, 101 as well. I'm just trying to remind myself that this could be just the bottom of the channel. So the emotions, I mean, going back, we're at, so what's that? June 25. So we're at June 25's price. But just structurally, we're slightly worse. I don't know, man. It's pretty important level here now, Granny. This is pretty important, dude. We just broke back over 100. I don't really want to see a daily close anywhere near 98, man. Need to be above 98 for me. I'd like to see it above 100 on the daily. So we've got a daily close in 45 minutes. I think that's pretty important. I don't want to see closes anywhere near 98, especially not under 98.
Yeah.
If we can close back above 100, it's like, look, it's a long way up from here.
Yeah.
That's what I feel. So it feels like it's quite easy to go down. That's what she said, but it's quite hard to go up. So there's so many levels to the upside here, dude. Like what I mean is you got to go, 103, 104, then fucking 107, 108, then 112, 116. There's just so much above us that we're going to have to break through. Whereas below, we could pull back to 88 pretty swiftly there. So, yeah, but bit of a tricky position, man. Not super comfy. If you're a buyer here, maybe it's a good zone to buy.
Yeah.
But like you said, NFTs feel super vulnerable here. Meme coins and altcoins. I haven't even looked at what they're doing. Are they eating shit? Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, look, not a great spot, but maybe this is Death Cross. Yeah, maybe. Maybe this is the final dip, Greenie. Maybe this is the last one. Maybe this is it. Maybe we just go up from here. Or look, I guess there's a couple of scenarios that could play out here. We've seen the top. We're going to bear market now. Or obviously, a couple of things. We could bounce from here. We could go into bear market from here. Or we could go into prolonged, what's the word I'm looking for? So distribution phase even longer, and we could see perhaps a new all-time high / an attempted all-time high Q1, Q2 next year. But man, that will be quite painful. For me personally, if we have to have a dip and then crab sideways for months more, Jesus. But I guess that's better than the other option, which is just going into a prolonged bear market from here, which would be, Jesus, man. Yeah, pretty rough for your alts and meme coins. I guess a lot of people will probably feel like they never even got to start with some of the alts. If you're in AVAX, if you're in about 99% of the altcoins from 21, you're probably feeling like you haven't really had a go yet. So, shucks, man, there's probably a lot of pain out there. I'd say that a lot of people are feeling pretty crap, man. Like, it doesn't feel good to me, and I'm heavy Bitcoin. So if I was heavy fucking anything else, Jesus, I wouldn't be feeling great. Fear and greed at 15. I mean,
that's as low as we've seen it.
We're probably going to see lower tomorrow, man.
I think so too. I think in an hour's time when we get the new close, I think it'll be lower personally as well.
I don't know when. What's the? I don't know what the low
8.
sub is.
8. I've seen it at 8 previously, but that was a long time ago in the bear market, or like, it doesn't happen very often. You know what, Craig? We're gonna do something generous today. If you are new to the channel, obviously click follow on Kick. But if you want to win this $900, rather than it also just being volume based, if you subscribe to the channel and you have a certain requirement of volume on Yeet, but you subscribe to Kick today as well, I will put you in the giveaway. I think that's fair today. So if you sub to our Kick channel and you've done some volume on Yeet, then no matter, there might be a little bit of a minimum requirement there, but it's only for new subs today. Okay. As well as a certain volume requirement for everyone else. Okay. So if you're a long-term user, relax. You'll still be in the qualification for it. But I think that might be a nice little giveaway as well. And obviously, if you do sub to the channel, you go into the giveaway for GTG as well, which is valued at $100. And there's only about 4 or 5 people into that entry, currently. So yeah. Hey, there you go, guys. There you go. You could qualify for 900 buckaroonies. That could be very juicy. Very juicy. Craig, yeah, I mean, like if you look at this, like this is wild. Now we have seen, I was chatting to GTG this morning about it actually as well. I need to just actually send that off too. But basically, if we have a look at history, we do actually see extreme fear at the end of a bull cycle. We traditionally do see extreme fear. So in 2022, we saw extreme fear. So January here, we went all the way down to 18. We went down to 11 in January 2022. We then obviously consequently followed in the bear market after. In 2018, straight after the all-time high as well, in February 2018, we saw 8 as well in February after the high of 2017. So again, this is a sign of a similar pattern where maybe the top is in and extreme fear hits first before the bear market starts. Again, I'm not being bearish in one particular way. I'm not trying to be FUD, but I'm just looking at what price has done in the past, Craig. And I mean, I went to bed 2 nights ago, very bullish. I then woke up and America sold on me overnight. Happens every time. I then decided to tweet last night, America, I'm going to sleep now. Please don't dump on me again. And this morning I woke up, classic America, yet another dump overnight. Yep, sick. Nice, thanks.
Yeah, it's great. Yeah, man, it's
critical levels. Yeah,
it's tricky. It's not so nice. It's hard, man. This is so hard to trade. Yeah, dude. I guess OnlyFans signups are going to escalate for people looking for jobs. Fuck, man. Yeah, look, for me, I want to see a nice bounce off 97 here. We kind of are seeing that if I zoom in on the 4 hourly, which I don't. The fact I'm even having to zoom in for signs of hope's not great. Probably looks great on the 15-minute chart, the bounce, but yeah, shucks, man. We've been dilly-dallying around this level just too long for me.
Yeah.
Months too long. So, yeah, man, either I guess we break below the 98 and then we pray, or we get a good bounce here, get above some critical levels, and maybe that was the final dip. But, yeah, that's a bit of hopium. Hopefully this is the bear trap, the final dip. Q4, man, what a bitch.
Yeah.
Where's the Q4 euphoria that we were promised, eh?
Yeah, I know.
0. In fact, are we going to have a negative month, are we? What did we open? What was the month open?
Oh, yeah, I actually haven't even looked at that.
Another red month.
Guys, if you're new here, drop a follow. Welcome, Joshy222. Welcome, Tino. Zeth, welcome to the channel. April, welcome. Trying to sub, I don't know why it's not accepting my card. Keep trying, April. Keep trying. Let's look at that. I haven't actually looked at that for a while, Craig. Yeah, guys. If you are, if you're on laptop/computer, you can sub, but on mobile, apparently it doesn't let you. So you might need to jump on to a computer and watch us there. And I think it works better, is what I've heard as well for Kick. Dead Exide, welcome, mate. Welcome. We'll be doing the GTG giveaway later in the show. Legend. Oh my god! Negative 10%. Oh shit! And it's historically Bitcoin's most bullish month. Oh shit!
What a nightmare of a bull market to navigate, from historical data point of view. It's so
dude, it's
rubbish.
been horrendous.
It's I pretty much just do the opposite of what all the data says.
Yeah, literally.
Which it makes it such a nightmare, man, to predict. It's like far out. I just feel like I'm walking around blind at the moment because all the data I normally tend to lean on is just not. First time. Well, it's not the first time for red November, but they just don't come around often. Especially not a double red October, November. What, once?
Yeah.
Once
That's
ever.
crazy, Craig.
Fuck.
That's actually wild. We are 51% down below the average of November. 51% below the average returns. All right, I just put a tweet out because that's a banger.
Yeah, that's tough, man. That is tough to be trading. I don't know too many. Yeah. If there's any confidence on the timeline, point them out to me. I need some hopium. Has anyone got anything? Give me something. Is Plan B piping up? Is he starting to Plan C? I'll take. What about Plan D? What's Plan D now?
Oh, dude, I don't know. There's so many people that follow all those CMC top cycle indicators. Like they are so outdated. Like if you go to CMC and top cycle indicators, none of them have flashed that the top's in. That's it. Like if you firstly, two things here. If you go here,
now though that one.
Well, yeah, exactly right. Like if you come and have a look at these, like if it's readily available to everyone else, do you think you don't have an edge then is the first thing. So maybe people are going to front run that, right?
Yeah.
Second, a lot of these are so outdated. Like this rainbow chart, get it the fuck out of here, man. It is not relevant. The Pi cycle indicator, there is no way we go to $205,000. We also hit the Pi cycle indicator earlier in the cycle. No one's talking about that.
Yeah.
Okay? I talked about that. No one else is talking about that. So none of these are actually ticked. Again, this one here, like ETF to BTC ratio. Bro, the ETF's only been out for a year. How can you have a top cycle indicator with something that's only been out a year? Hasn't even talked about the top and the bottom. Like, some people on Twitter like, Greeny, none of these are flash. I'm like, bro, look at price action. That's the best indicator you have. That's the best indicator you have.
Yeah, man. I mean, the fact that I've been watching this for what you're on now, and that's the problem. If I'm looking at Shardy B, shit, that's a good name. People like you, me. I mean, I was looking at this a year ago. I think someone pointed me out. I think someone GTG actually shared this with me. I have to track them down and pay them my respects for giving me the shite data. Nah, jokes. I'm joking. But yeah, I got this shared with me about a year ago, man, and I must admit it was a fair bit of data on there. So I was like, okay, cool. It's got a lot of data points. None of them being ticked. Looking at the historical data of Q4's bullishness, all that combined, you bet on it pretty heavy, wouldn't you? So I got the market's fooled me up till now, that's for sure.
Dead Oxide says, what if well, you're assuming the cycle is over in Q4. What if it's broken now we go to bullish in Q2? Well, that would be the longest bull cycle in history, okay? If you look at timing from the bottom to the all-time high or halving to the all-time high, we are smack bang on the average of the two previous cycles. Literally exactly on average. So, yeah.
Does this mean, this is lining up with the 4-year cycle at the moment?
Well, yeah, 100%. 4-year cycle, we are 4-year cycle to a dot.
Everyone who has said the 4-year cycle's over at the moment looks like they're incorrect. Currently. We could go into I do see there is a world out there, or universe or parallel galaxy I see out there, where we do have a mini bear market within this bull market, and we do rally. But man, I feel like I've got to check myself when I say that, because I don't know if I'm saying that because of my bag bias. But if that is to happen, the 4-year cycle's broken.
Yeah.
So for me, I'm really, I don't know. It's tricky, isn't it? Like, do we go into mini bear market and then rally again 26? That's not crazy to me, considering the way the market shifted. We front ran the halving. If the 4-year cycle is kind of broken, or broken in the way we know it, there still will be cycles within cycles, of course. Yeah. We're in a first time at the moment, so it's I've sort of got to wait and see.
I want to just show you something here. Okay, this guy, I love him. He's great from a macroeconomic standpoint. But let me just show you this, all right? He said, this is a bullish chart. All right. I promise you, no matter what you look at, Sui is the most bearish chart out there. All right. So I feel like he's a bit washed. I feel like he's a bit washed. More recently. Okay, look at this. Look at this chart. Look at this chart. There is not one way I can draw this and be bullish. Okay, look at this. It's breaking key levels right now. Highs of 2024, bottoms of 24, bottoms of 25. Breaking that key level. Okay, it's also broken this key level. Broken that key level, and arguably that's the most important level. That is the most important level because that is the trend of this cycle. That's the trend from the low of 24 up this cycle.
Yeah, Sui's cooked.
It does not look good. It is does
game over. That's bear market type charts. Early bear market.
It is. And it's lost its golden pocket as well. No matter how I draw this chart, it is not bullish like he is saying, right? So that's why like people like him, and the worst part about this is that he has millions of viewers every week.
Yeah, he should be giving out that stuff.
Exactly. He's given out, like, it's not financial advice, but he's given out these bullish up only hopium takes, and it's just fucking wrong. It's so wrong.
Someone's saying he's on the board for Sui, which makes it even more diabolical.
He was a seed investor. Yeah, so he's up 1,000x, right?
So he's still good, right? He's still good.
Oh, he's fine. But you can't say that this is a bullish chart. Textbook wedge. Bro, that is not a textbook wedge.
Not great, man.
And the same as this. Meanwhile, Solana, dude, that is bearish as hell. Yeah, it has a sweep of liquidity. Oh my gosh.
That looks like a bear flag.
Dude, no one else is calling out Solana. No one else is calling out Solana. Craig and I spoke about how bearish it was at 250 literally 2 months ago. I said this is a level to watch because it's going into resistance from the highs of this cycle, the highs of last cycle, the previous support. This is where Sui is just lost. Sui's about here, right? Okay, it's just lost its macro trend. Solana lost its macro trend here, and this was the opportunity for us to really start going parabolic again, and it rejected, and now we lost the 0.5, we've lost the 0.25. We're heading to 120. We're heading to 120. Unless you get a massive V-shape. But like, again, where does the V-shape recovery come from? A guy in GTG this morning literally told me, Greg, get this. This is baffling. He works at the Pentagon and has not been paid for 43 days.
Really?
So there's no liquidity in the government. Why aren't we seeing October's data? Why is Trump saying, oh, no, we lost the stats or the government, whatever it is? How do you lose statistics in 2025? You can't.
You know what's interesting to me is how come when we do our tax, if we lose records, we get heavily fined?
That's
or go to jail.
Trump deserves to probably go to prison with the amount of manipulation and shit he's done. Like, I'm sorry, but dude, I don't know.
I think they all do, man. I think he's just more brazen. I think, to be honest, I mean, you look at Nancy Pelosi's trading record, bro. She is diabolical.
There's some congressman and whatever who outtrade Warren Buffett. No, you do not do that. You don't do that.
Shit, this is a bearish stream, eh? This is such a bearish stream.
Anyway, I am long.
After all that, eh? What's that, 31 minutes?
However, okay, I'll talk through my process. I am long because this is a critical level for BTC, and if we do lose 97, 98, then it's pretty inevitable that we go to about 89, 93, in my opinion.
I'm gonna throw my toys if we do that, bro.
Yeah, this is a sweep. This is a sweep of that liquidity. I don't mind along here pushing back towards hopefully 110, 112, as long as this sweep holds. If we have like a bearish daily close, which happens in 28 minutes, and we can't push really aggressively back to like 101 probably area, then I'm not really keen to hold this long. However, this is a nice sweep of both these levels. So I want to see a nice push up here. And again, I've stabled up 96% of my portfolio, 95% of my portfolio, because for spot right now, I just like, there's one, no edge. Two, I don't want to be buying now. Three, I don't want to be holding now when I made a shit ton of money throughout the whole cycle with trends. We were buying Bitcoin for sub 30K. We were buying Solana for sub $30. I bought Solana for $17. I'm just not interested in trying to capture, as Craig always says, that extra 5%, that extra 10% from here. Like, I would much rather sit on the sidelines and see everybody else be happy, still call trades, but not trade myself, because my portfolio right now is about protecting downside risk. And that's the biggest thing that a lot of people don't realize is in crypto, everyone always hypotheses upside targets. Oh, we're going to $400,000. We're going, like, Solana's going to $400. Ethereum's going to 5 grand. Why does no one ever talk about hypothesizing downside targets? Because that if you want to make it in crypto, guys, here's some secret alpha. If you actually want to make it in crypto, you need to, every single time you press a buy, you need to think about what is the invalidation of that trade, or what is the downside risk of the trade? Who gives a shit about the upside? What is the capital preservation of that downside if you take that trade? Okay, that is what you need to think about. That's what I do. Even yesterday, I bought a Moonbird overnight, market dump, a lot of weakness. I'm like, well, why do I want to hold this? It's probably going to go down lower. I cut it. And that's invalidation. That's how it works. Okay. So always think about it. Mike with the sub. Let's go, Mike. There we are. Mike's in the comp. Let's go. We got Mike entering. Let's go. Tino with the sub as well. Let's go, guys. So, guys, don't forget, if you want to qualify for the $900, also on Yeet, you do need to trade volume. And that's to Tino and to Mike and to anybody else who does subscribe to the channel. You must have volume on there to qualify, okay? Otherwise, you won't qualify for the Yeet specific giveaway. You will qualify for the GTG giveaway, okay? Massive shout out to Tino's, and obviously massive shout out to Mike as well for subbing to us on Kick. Did we hit 50 yet? Tino, luckiest 50th subscriber. Have we ticked? We need 50 concurrent viewers, Craig, as an average. That's going to be the next. That's the next challenge. How can we get more viewers in here, guys?
I need to create 50 bloody.
We hit our 10 mark for subscribers, guys. W's in the chat. But the issue is our average viewership is well below 50. Well below 50. Come on, man. It's not like crypto's bearish at the moment. Come on, man. Come on.
Yeah, get into it.
Different timing, OX.com. Yeah, I mean, maybe we might have to stream it at another time as well. Might have to time. We'll have to see. 4 a.m. for you. Yeah, well, OX, where are you? 4 a.m. What's that? Like, where are you? Are you Asia? I'll say you're in Asia. I'll say Singapore. No, 5 hours behind us.
Oh, yeah.
Like Philippines?
Yep.
India?
Yeah, Bali? Is Bali?
Yeah, something like that. Shanti, back from the gym. What's good? Mate, we've been going on an absolute sender today. Mate, it's great to see everyone here. Aporal on YouTube. GM. Welcome to you as well. Tajia, mate. There's no way, Tajia. There's no way you don't subscribe to our channel on Kick, Tajia. Come on, legend. Come on, mate. Good to see you, Tajia. 12 a.m. Roxy, 12 a.m. That means you're in Europe. I need to set a new subscriber goal. How do I do that? Somehow I've messed up the behind the scenes Kick, and now I can't even set those sort of things anymore. God damn. GM, everyone who's just joining us, welcome. 1 hour. Yeah. So we're just going to change our stream time just to suit individuals in the chat.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah, I saw that. I thought that was pretty good. Yeah. Or 15 minutes earlier.
Yeah. Dude, where is... dude, I can't change the... We hit the follow. Let's go. Zemo, the 300th follower on the channel. Let's go. We just smashed our follow goal as well. Hey, 500 up next, guys. 500 up next on the channel. All right. Yeah, Craig. I mean, I am long here purely because this is a sweep of liquidity. And if we can't hold this, then, yeah, we do crash back to sort of 85 to 89 to 93 probably. And I do think that this could be a nice little rally. I mean, the daily does support a move higher. Like, we are bottomed here. It's just we're below the daily pivot. So this daily close in 23 minutes is very important. Very, very important.
Yes.
But there's pressure to downside on so many time frames. I mean, yeah, we're $2,000 behind the 5-day. We're 15 grand behind the weekly. The daily, we're only a couple $100. So yeah, very pivotal level, chat. Very pivotal level here for BTC. So then that leads me to the next question. Are you de-risking? Tajia, thanks for the sub, legend. Thanks for the sub. I knew you could. I appreciate you.
I knew you'd come through eventually.
I know. Tajia and I, we go back a long time. Massive shout out to him. He's a legend. He actually, you know what? Shout out to Tajia. He's helped me out with so much over the past couple of years. He actually helped me get my whole computer set up and everything as well. Massive shout out to him. All right. GM Flora, hope you're doing well. Daylight savings time is real. Yeah, well, Queensland doesn't have daylight savings, but I know in America you have it as well. It's so bizarre that we don't have it on in Queensland here. All right, Tajia, because you subbed as well, if you have some volume on Yeet, and I will be checking usernames soon, guys. If you guys, and same as Mike, and same as whoever else subbed to the channel, Mike Tino's as well. Same to you guys. And OXCCM too. OXCCM, I didn't even see you subscribe. Legend, appreciate it. So guys, if you guys want to qualify as well, you do need to have volume on Yeet, okay? Otherwise, you don't qualify for that one. All right, qualify for the other one, for the GTG one. Just making sure I have all the full list of people. I will be checking Tino's to OX, CCM, Dead Oxide. Dead Oxide, do you have volume on Yeet too? Let me know, because you'll go in the comp if you do as well. And Mike, did I get Mike on my list? Sorry guys, I'm just doing admin behind the scenes.
What were the liquidations today?
I actually don't know if there was many liquidations today.
No.
There will be a minimum volume for the other people who've been trading on Yeet as well. There will be a minimum volume, and there might be a minimum volume for the people who subscribe to the channel, okay? It'll be more generous, obviously. No, OXCCM, I will ask you at the end to share your Yeet usernames, yeah. Dead Oxide says, I don't want Yeet. That's fine. Hey, bro, my GTG sub is a fantasy over Yeet. I love that, man. Hey, that's what we want to hear. Hey, Dead Oxide's, I like what he's thinking, okay? Dead Oxide understands the value of knowledge, community, support, alpha. Can't use a Verve Cup, only MasterCard and Visa, Roxy. Ah, man, Roxy, maybe, yeah. Damn. You don't have one of those cards? I don't know where you're based. Guys, if you're new here, drop a follow. There's 42 viewers. Hey, we're getting to that average. We need 50 viewers average. And then we need to just keep the stream going for hours and hours and hours to run the average
hold up. It there. Shit.
To run the average up. No, Dead Oxide, totally fine, bro. You know what? Maybe even I'll Dead Oxide, are you on Twitter? Send me a DM and maybe I'll sort something out for you as well, because you've been supporting us for a while. MX Res Crypto, my card is declined, bro. Go onto laptop and try that. Go onto laptop. Or community, not laptop, computer. Go onto computer. Bottom tick some longs in GGG before I went to the gym and this stream started. Come join us, Dead Oxide. Yes. Love it. Love it, Shanty. Love it. All right. Okay, cool. So then what? Oh, dude, I mean, Bitcoin's, I don't mind this. Come on, Bitcoin, you little dirty dog.
Go.
Come on, bro.
Please, Bitcoin, I need you. I'm uncomfy in spot, man.
Well, yeah, let's talk about that, because what are you doing right now? Like, I've stabled up my port because there's too much weakness. I'm sick of being an idiot, and I've been too emotional recently with my own port. Because I'm nervous that I don't want to lose money ahead of trying to buy a house, right? Like, that's the goal, right? For me, is like, I need to, like, and I also, yeah, it's so weird, Roxy, that you can gift a sub. No, Roxy, we want you to sub. Yeah, I don't know. I feel nervous at the moment, just trying to, like, with spot. Like, I would much rather just have active positions. I'd much rather lose a couple $1,000, if not more, on my perps portfolio than my spot portfolio. I know. Am I out to lunch with that take, or what do you think?
No, I don't think you are. I guess it depends where you are as far as what you want to do with the money, what's your time horizon like, things like that. But certainly, if you know, say you stabled up most of your port now, and then we do go into even a mini bear market, you might be happy that you did, because you can buy back lower and you don't have to suffer through that period as well. You know, every day you wake up and go, fuck. Whereas if you're not in, you don't have that pain as much. You only have that pain, obviously, if it sends to a certain degree. But I don't think sending is a is a big problem at the moment. But yeah, I don't mind that. It just depends when you think you'll need the money. But at the same time, you probably, if you do think we're going to go lower, you are probably better off selling here and buying back lower. That's what I'll do. So what I'm going to wait for is daily closes below 98. If we get a couple of daily closes, or one, but if we get a daily close between 98, I've really got to consider offloading a shitload of my port, and then waiting to buy back lower is what I'll do. So my decision will be made very shortly by the look of things. Hopefully it won't be made for me by Bitcoin. But yeah, man, like I said, if we get a couple of daily closes below 98, I'll sell off some of my port and wait to buy back lower. And if we pump into Q2, that's fine. I'll leave some of my port. I won't sell all of it. I'll probably sell half my Bitcoin. And then I've got half still in. So if it pumps, I get a win. Obviously, if it doesn't pump and we go through a bear market, half of my port will suffer. But I'm prepared to ride that into the next bull then. I will risk half my port. Because when I say risk, I feel like Bitcoin will be higher in 3 years' time. So I know no one wants to hear that. I may have to wait 3 years to sell, the other half of the port, but I don't mind that, because if I sell half, 17 minutes of the daily close, good call. I don't mind that, because if we do go lower, I'll use half the port to buy back in, and then that will bring my average price down a bit. So any pumps we get from there, I could be in profit. I'm hoping that's not the scenario I have to face, Greeny. I hope the scenario I've got to face is we now break above 100K, which we have. We get closes above there. We get consecutive closes above this level, and we slowly start to find a bottom, find support, and we go up from there. But I've been saying that since 116,000, Greeny. So. People are probably pretty bored of me saying that, but the thing is, and I've seen a lot of other YouTubers start to say this as well. Well, Trader Main, who I don't mind either, he started saying on stream, "Look, guys, you're probably getting bored of me saying that, but it's actually it's so true, because the levels haven't changed." So I know everyone's probably coming here going, "Craig, well, what should we do?" But this is what you've been saying forever. Yeah, but the thing is, with TA, nothing, like, the levels are still the levels.
Yeah.
So I've just got to be, and this is where people probably let emotions take over too much. I've said that 98 level for some time now.
Yeah.
And I've just got to remind myself that nothing's really changed until that changes. So I've just got to sit through my process and let the market tell me what to do, I suppose. But I'm risking what, probably, if I'd sold at 106, 108, so I'm probably risking 10% for confirmation, which is shitty. But I guess I'm willing to take that risk. You're obviously not. You've got a house to buy. I guess what I'm saying is I will wait for the market to tell me what to do, and I'm pretty much willing to risk my port at the moment 10% to get confirmation. I think that's an all right way to trade. I think we'll see. But yeah, it's a shitty spot to be. It's a shitty spot to be, and I hate. It's not this. The ice feels thin. It feels thin, but yeah, I've also got to just make sure I don't get caught up emotionally and dump my bag here right on support.
Yeah,
because I could sell here and then we could pump.
Yeah,
pump's probably the wrong word, Granny. Grind. Grind, and I think even for you're going to get time to re-enter.
Yeah, I would rather,
and that's 116 from here in one daily candle. So
exactly,
I don't think you're going to be like, oh fuck, it's back to all-time high before you know it.
Yeah,
I think it's going to grind. So, oh man, yeah. Do I wish I sold a bigger part of my port at 116 to 125? Yeah, probably now. Yeah. I think I took 10% off at all-time high.
Yeah.
At times like this, I wish I took 30. So that's probably something to take to the bank for the next bull run. Lessons for me there as well. And, it's one of those things we're always learning, we're always evolving. And this run is doing things that only one other run has done. Sorry, one other time in Bitcoin's history, we've had two reds now. Yeah. So you can't beat yourself up too much either. So for everyone listening right now, don't, you don't want to get into a mindset of, oh, fucking, what have I done? I was wrong. Yes, we were wrong up till now, but man, I reckon 99% of the market is wrong.
Yeah.
We're doing things for the first time. So you got to kind of give yourself a bit of, not too much grief. So I guess what I'm saying is don't beat yourself up. Don't do anything silly, guys. Like I always say, go for a walk, try and relax, try and chill out. Have your invalidation levels like I do and stick to the plan. But if it does break below there, you've got to stick to your plan. You've got to sell. So for me, I've got to be willing to do that. Won't feel good to do it. because I feel like you feel like you got it wrong, which always sucks. But I'm going to have to be prepared to eat humble pie and say the market fooled me, which is what it's kind of intended to do. So yeah, tricky, real tricky. Not a super nice stream to come on and talk about, to be honest.
Hey, and guys, I hope you appreciate this. Like, we don't just bullshit our way through hopium. I think a lot of people on Twitter, a lot of people on YouTube only ever take bullish perspectives because that naturally is what people want to hear, and also it naturally leads to more growth, right? So I hope people appreciate that from us, that we do appreciate honest takes. So I mean, yeah, look, I mean, if we have a look at this just really simply again, like the reason I'm just more realistically bearish at the moment is we're just like there's distribution. Like last cycle, we failed to the first line, the bottom line is the previous all-time high, okay? The first time we pushed up to 61K. The second one was obviously the April high as well. We failed to ever show a lot of strength above that. We had distribution above both of those key levels here. It was over the course of a while, over the maybe like 6 weeks or so. But that's a distribution above that key level, and then the rest of the bull market happened. Again, you've had that yet again here. And I mean, the key level is also, we actually are struggling to hold the high from January as well. In current price action. So if you've got 3 key levels here, and this isn't even on the monthly chart, which is, again, it shows you weakness at about 115K as well. And I'll show you that in a minute. But you've got deviation above this high here twice. You've also got distribution above this entire area here. We've never had a weekly close above 119. And now you've got price action not only showing weakness up the top here, but you could say that is a distribution as well, right? This whole entire bit here is a distribution above the previous high from January this year, right? If you look at the monthly as well, the monthly key level is this level here. We have not ever closed a monthly candle above 115, right? So there's multiple levels here again that you could easily say the previous high, if we get rid of these lines, just to show you, if you just look at this, that is a classic distribution phase above the previous high before you start to trade back towards wherever the trend is. Same happened here. Look at the monthly way back here. We failed to ever show strength above this deviation here, and then we traded back towards the range, right? So and again, it doesn't have to happen on just the tops. It can happen at the bottom as well. So if we have a look at the bottom here, okay, you've got a bottom of a range. If we zoom in, make it a little bit clearer for you. Bottom of a range, clear level that we were holding here at about $19,000. We then had a deviation / distribution to the bottom, and then we started to break out back above this range, and that was the change of the trend there, right? So you've got a range, distribution, and then we started trade above, and we broke out of this previous high hit. So it happens at the bottom and it happens at the top. And there's just signs for me that at least show exhaustion in the market, or at least that we just need to be cautious here because crypto is inevitably showing a lot more weakness than what we would want to be seeing at this point in time, right? So, I mean, these are just key levels. Again, analysis, price doesn't lie. If we were super bullish, then price would be pumping. People would be buying, and then we wouldn't be even having this sort of conversations, right? So, I don't know, guys. I hope you guys appreciate that analysis. But I mean, if you have a look at the market, like, again, if Zcash pumps a little bit higher, I'm very keen for a short. Very keen for a short off the 0.5. One of my favorite trades is actually a 0.5 sweep. So basically, you trades back into a range up here, and then it could go high. I mean, this has a lot of momentum, so maybe it sweeps the 0.5, but it actually goes to 618 and then shows weakness, and then you short this back towards the 0.5 of this range here as well. So that's a really simple trade that I like to take, that I will be looking for wherever this sort of move comes in. So from the low to wherever the high is here, and you just take a very simple trade from say it's the 618, come in from here back to the 0.5, and that's the only trade that you're trying to take. It's just that one, rather than trying to time. And I mean, you can leave some open if it wants to dump further, but that's the sort of trades that I'm looking for. Really high net percentage trades, and that's the same with Bitcoin. That's why I'm long right now. I would much rather long this sweep of liquidity down here, as long as we can close in 8 minutes time. Oh, dude, give me. I want to close like 101, but I don't know if we're gonna get it. I don't know.
Yeah, we got 9 minutes to pump.
Come on, chat.
$800. Someone buy Bitcoin. Buy heaps. Everyone on the chat. Everyone buy some Bitcoin quick.
Yeah, that's the key level I want. About 100.8. I want to see us close above that. But yeah, so I hope that analysis makes it simple for you guys as well. Don't forget, we're giving away cash later in the episode, $900 to people who are obviously on our Yeet platform who have done a X amount of volume. We're not going to disclose that amount until later in the episode. And then any new subscribers to the channel as well, you go into the giveaway for GTG, which is a free month valued at $100. You can join Craig and I, an amazing community who has been winning now for 2.5 years. We don't win 100% of the time, but we keep it real with analysis that you guys get to see on this show today. We've chased a whole range of different trends. And then also you will go into the $900 giveaway on Yeet if you do have volume as well. So that's for new subscribers to the channel on Kick. A little special giveaway today for most people. We are officially back below 100K now, Craig. We are dumping.
Oh, God. 99. Jesus.
Oh, look at that. We're going to keep the low time frame charts up. Chat, let me catch up, chat. What's been said. All right, so did Satoshi really buy ETH? Over says, I don't know. I don't think so.
What?
Just time for Craig and me to get absolutely ripped in the gym as this calendar year. Hey, I've been going to the gym. I've been going to the gym the last couple of days as well. The last week or two. So I feel good. It feels good to be back pumping iron a little bit. Did a little bit of ab rollouts yesterday and squats yesterday. So the two worst exercises to do, legs and abs. I did that a little bit yesterday.
Yeah, so that's rough. I'm going to do legs today, actually.
It's rough. Damn it. But it feels good. I mean, it does feel good to use your body. I need to get back into running. I think I'm very stressed at the moment. I think there's a few things happening in my life that I'm just a bit stressed about. Mm-hmm. So I need to go for my peaceful runs because that definitely helps me feel better. Makes me feel better. So, all right, let's have a look. Where are we going to bounce from? All right, let's have a look. So, fib from the low to the high. Let's see if this is 5-minute chart, guys. So, this is a live action right on stream. So, levels, but we got 1 minute till the daily close. Oh no, sorry. That's a 5-minute close. We got 7 minutes till the daily close. Oh shit!
Oh God! Oh well, welcome to the channel, guys. For those new to the channel, this is what you can expect: bearish takes.
Realistic. I like the word realistic.
Crying in the casino. I've got my tissues here. Fucking hell. Oh well, guys, we'll see you in 27.
Well, hey, we'll be live here every day, guys. So that's why we appreciate you guys supporting our channel.
Send it all to Mordor. Send it all to hell, man. I don't
send it to Mordor.
Another sub, Roxy.
Did Roxy finally sub? Roxy, it worked. Let's go, Roxy. Roxy goes in giveaway. Let's go.
Craig's actually sweating. Now it's these lights that make me look shiny, especially if I've got heaps of sun.
Yeah.
But I'm not sweating what you can see, but inside I am sweating a lot. Actually, I'm in turmoil inside. I feel sick to my stomach. What you guys have done to these charts? What have you done to my Bitcoin charts, chat? Fuck. Where's Michael Saylor? Surely he's due a buy.
Yeah, I know. Well, he's gone quiet, eh? He is gone desperately quiet.
Where's Drake? Why isn't Drake tweeting about Bitcoin anymore? Fuck's sake. Every time. And where's Scottie Pippen?
Yeah, I mean, he has been talking about it for a while. Craig, let's talk NFTs. Let's move over to NFTs as well. And then we'll come back in a minute. And we'll come back in a minute with the daily close. 99.8 we're currently at. I'll let you speak right now. So you're still holding a Pudgy and you're still holding one Moonbird and a few Mythics and stuff as well. Talk to us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so it's a tricky time, isn't it, at the moment for NFTs? Obviously, they're on the risky end of the risk curve, or the further end of the risk curve. So yeah, man, I'm still in my big Pudgy. I've got a little Pudgy. I've got a big bird. I've got 2 Mythics that I'll be watching like a hawk. Tough times to be holding NFTs. They're even worse. So fuck, man. Like I said, if that Bitcoin breaks or as daily closes below 98, it'll probably it'll all go except my big Pudgy I'll keep. But I'll probably have to just lick my wounds, sell and just take the L on it. Unfortunately, Moonbirds is a trickier one, but yeah, I'll probably keep my big Pudgy and my big bird.
Okay,
probably those two, and I'll flick the rest.
Yeah.
And then I'll wait until the bear market kicks in, and I'll buy an ape for 0.5 and a mutant for 0.1.
Dude.
Yeah. I'm going to start other side launch yesterday with the Nexus.
Oh, did it?
Yeah. So I'll probably have a jam of that today, take my mind off
Wolf Game?
Market. Hey, what's that?
Wolf Game as well?
Wolf Game, I'll play that today. I need to work out what to do with my bloody sheep and that. So I'll get breeding, I'll get farming. Might be a good time to delve into that side of the ecosystem, probably other side as well. I know the market's bleeding, but the good news is, from all accounts, it looks like the the game's pretty good. So I think you can win ApeCoin there. You can go and do tasks. It looks cool. I want to jump on there today, actually. So later today, I'll jump in and have a little look around there. But as far as just NFTs goes, yeah, man. As long as there's blood in the market, these are gonna be shite, unfortunately. So, man, it's hard to. Yeah, it just gets worse, doesn't it, from Bitcoin? And then as you go below, it just gets shiter. So, yeah. I mean, what's worse than NFTs? Maybe meme coins. I don't know. What's worse at the moment?
Let's have a look at that, actually, because I mean, that's something we haven't looked at for a while either, like on-chain meme coins. Mog's in the green, mate. Mog is in the green. Mog is in the green. Let's have a look, though. Let's zoom out. Mog is technically in the green, Craig. Here.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Key level, though. I mean, but like, if Bitcoin can't hold up, then something like this is not going to look good.
No, none of the alts or memes matter if Bitcoin dumps. No. Like, it's all going to hell.
Mog Pepe is one we haven't had a look at for a long time either. Have we had a daily close yet? No, not yet.
2 minutes. Pepe, we're at 99. We're at 99.
Oh, are we? Have we pulled back even lower? Oh, shit. Pepe, this is Pepe. It's lost. It's 786. Oh, that looks horrible.
Jesus.
Isn't it just crazy, man? But I mean, like, lower highs yet again. Lower high. Like, it's the macro trend is really coming to fruition. Like on all these charts, like SPX as well, losing its 786 from the swing, not the all-time low, but the swing. Maybe it's time to bring out the all-time low. Bonk also lost its 886 off its swing range. Wrecked at its 786. Want to see
Memecoin super cycle.
Memecoin super cycle 2024, mate.
Never really eventuated, did it?
2024 was pretty crazy. Farcoin all the way back to levels that we have not seen since March.
Hot air rises.
Popcat looks absolutely horrible.
Look at that.
Looks
dead cat bounce. Man, unreal, isn't it?
Sheeb is crazy as well, hitting new lows that we haven't seen for a while. Dogecoin also breaking key level as well. You could argue this is a key level that it's now officially lost. I don't know. Market just looks not very good at this point of time, chat. Doesn't look very good at all. All right, let's get the BTC daily close here in a minute's time.
Pump. Give me $1,000.
Look at this candle. This candle is like still trying to figure. Oh, wait, it has. Wait. Yeah, we just got the daily close then. Daily close officially 99.7 on the index. Daily close over on Bybit is officially 99.6. BTC, let's look at Binance as well. Binance daily close 99.7.
Woo!
Man, oh man. I mean, that chart doesn't look too friendly there. Doesn't look too friendly.
I do see on the timeline a few people starting to bring up some old tweets where they're like, I told you we're going to 70K. I'm like,
dude, no chance.
It's actually a good time for engagement to start bringing those up. I might have to start.
It is. Guys, I've messed up my kick stream, so I can't even bring up the sub goals and stuff. I don't know what's happened behind the scenes, but for some reason I cannot bring up what I used to have up here. I don't know what's happened. I don't know if I can drag. That does, I don't know. I'm just dealing with this behind the scenes. I'm trying to like these buttons don't work over on the side. What have I done? Oh, hold on. Oh my God. Okay. It's all good, chat. I figured it out. Let's go. We're back. All right, we're nearly. Oh no, the sub goals are still there. Okay, cool. After all that, oh dude. Okay, that's how you do it. Okay, I got it. Guys, it's all good. I figured it out. Stream info. Oh no. Can I like move it? How do I put it? Like, okay. Anyways, chat, I'll just figure this out my own way.
What are you trying to do, Greeny?
Just trying to like, what the like the background stuff. Okay, maybe that'll work. No, I don't want it there.
Oh, Logan, thanks for the tip, brother. Big Logan's on the stream.
Wait, Logan from as in Abstract Team.
Yeah, man.
Logan, when are you jumping on our stream? Let's talk next week.
He DM'd me. He said he's got a lot of work to do until December, January. So maybe that's a bit of sub.
Okay.
Is that alpha, Greeny? Those dates he just gave me?
Maybe.
He said I've got a lot of work to do until December, January. So, Hey.
Mike, it says that you're no longer sub to the channel.
Yeah,
what happened, Mike? Did you sub but then unsub?
Smart motherfucker.
So it's like everyone else has a little star, but yours is not there. Do I need to refresh the page? Maybe I need to refresh the page. Oh goodness me, this chart doesn't look good. Okay.
Timber.
Critical level to me needs to hold 98, 9 needs to hold that level. Otherwise, it doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Doesn't look good, chap.
Jamabs. Mike pulled out. Yeah, he's took a sub back, Greeny, from us.
Did he actually unsub?
No, I'm done.
I thought, Mike, it said that you did sub. And OXCCM, what happened? Oh, no, OXCCM, yours says subscribe. Like, I mean, Roxy's is up. Yeah, Mike, it's just yours, Mike, for some reason doesn't want to sub. I mean, show sub, but it showed earlier, I swear. That's weird. All right, guys, we're giving away $900 cash later in the episode. We're also giving away a free G2G spot as well to people who have subbed to the channel. So if you want to do that, guys, you can check that out by subscribing to the channel and doing a bit of volume on Yeet. So the people who have subscribed to qualify, you need to obviously come and do a bit of volume on Yeet. We will be checking. We're currently at let me refresh the page, at 65.6. After 2 weeks, that's not bad. Our goal is 150K. I want to hit us 150K by the end of November is the goal. There will be a cutoff for obviously the giveaway today around people who have done some volume on the platform, and we will be monitoring who is doing week to week volume as well, not just people who have just accumulated volume over time. So I will be asking for your usernames later in the episode, guys, to double check that you have ticked off some volume. Before we do, obviously, the giveaway of the $900, because that is a big juice. That's the best giveaway we've done, Craig. Normally, we split it up. Before we do that. So it's nice that we can do something a little bit different today as well. I didn't unsub. I can only give subs. Yeah, that's so weird. It's so weird that, it doesn't have the little star. It's so weird. Cool. No, Tino's, yours has a little star. It's just Mike is blue, but it says he hasn't subbed it. I don't know. Maybe it's just a glitch. Oh, no, wait. It's back. It's back. Yeah. What did you do, Mike? You changed it. It's back. It finally has, the little green star. Oh, did you turn it off?
Yeah, he's back.
He's back. Oh, Craig, this chart doesn't look good on the daily, mate. Does not look good. That's an official bearish close, guys. That is the lowest official daily close we have had since we got into this range in May.
Sell in May and what's it? Sell in May and go away?
If you sell in May, Craig, you miss this whole upside move. That is the
Merry Christmas. It's the festive season.
Oh no, chat. Oh no, that's the worst. That's the worst daily close we have had literally since May. Oh, dude.
That's tough times. Oof.
That deserves a tweet. Let me just make it nice and juicy for everybody to see. Okay. Cool. All right. Well, yeah. I mean, what else do we want to talk about? Do we want to talk about InfoFly? We haven't really spoken about that at all today. Why is that not pacing for me? What do you want to talk about, Craig, at the moment?
Yeah, we can look at InfoFly quickly. I haven't actually checked that out lately. Let me just have a look.
Is Cato something that you've been even looking at? That is one website I've not gone on for a while.
I haven't gone on for a week or two. My wall chain's still not working, hey?
Really?
Okay, what the fuck? Yeah, I can't log in now. Just spins. No idea why.
That's weird, bro.
Yeah, man. It always worked fine. And
maybe reach out to the team on Twitter.
Yeah, it's fucked. I've been eating some yaps.
You have been?
Yeah, in 23.
What? Overnight?
Yeah.
Bro, what?
Yeah. Here we go.
Maybe it's because Seafreight's retweeted your...
Yeah, 12 in one day, 24, 19, 22.
Dude, you're cruising. I'm getting no yaps. I'm getting no yaps. Do you reckon season 2 ever comes out or not?
I hope so. No, I don't know. Surely they would have posted about it though.
Yeah.
If it was going I don't think so as much as I'd like to. I'd get a better stimmy this time, so hopefully it does. Yeah. Yeet, that's the other one.
Yeah. I mean, I'm still on a couple of leaderboards here. I mean, chat, how many of you are participating in these InfoFi leaderboards and stuff?
No, I haven't got any the last couple of days. Zeets, not the last couple of days.
Let's have a look for me. I am the DSI one actually should be paid out, to be honest. Did they remove it? No, it's still here. I think this one ends yesterday or ends. I don't know when it ends, but it ends on the 13th. Oh, they do. Yeah. I flipped. I mean, remember when Eli came on the other day and he was complaining about these guys? I went and had a look at their accounts and it's not good. It is not good what they're doing. They are manipulating these leaderboards. So, hey, Greeny takes the dub for the D-side news. As a previous science teacher, thank goodness. Thank goodness. Appreciate that. Yeah, gave up on Vui on Cookie. Yeah, dude, that is very well. That is a competitive leaderboard. So, I don't know, Craig, this 10 grand first spot. Let's see how we go. See, what I like about this is that my signal is 338. My noise is low. So I'm not just shilling shit, right? Whereas these guys, literally, look at this person. They have just as much noise as they have signal. Like, they should be banned, in my opinion, if you have such a poor ratio. Shout out to Chris. He's been talking about it as well. Yeah, I mean, Zeet. Oh, look. Oh, no, wait. Why was I on the thing there? 87th.
That's not bad, eh?
87.
Eli third, man.
Yeah, it's because he talks about abstract, right? Abstract's the secret. If you want more Zeets, talk about abstract. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even kidding. Like, look how many Zeets are given. Eli has 7,000 Zeets from abstract. 7,000. 7,000.
That's insane, eh?
That is insane.
I didn't even realize he spoke about it so much.
Neither.
Like where? When?
It's his personality.
Like, yeah, I'm like, when is he doing all this? 52 viewers, really? Let's go.
Love it, guys. Hey, we're at our average. Let's go. Love to see it. Guys, if you're new here, drop a follow. If you're new here, drop a sub as well. Drop a sub. And if you drop a sub, you go into the giveaway. Can I like make this? Oh, I can. That's how you do it. Okay, cool. All right, Kick's actually pretty good behind the streams. I just needed to figure it out. Guys, if you drop a sub, you go in the giveaway for $100 to enter GTG for a free month. And then you also go into the giveaway for $900 if you have some Yeet volume. Okay, if you have some Yeet volume. Yeah, dude, abstract. Craig, talk about abstract and you'll go up the leaderboard very quickly on.
Yeah, I have started to talk a little bit more about it. About abstract, and yeah, I've been slowly starting to climb that board now, so that's good. I took my foot off the gas. Speaking of abstract, I see they are releasing, or they put a post up about if you're a team developing AI.
Okay.
They've got a what did they say? Where is it? Where is it?
This one.
Here we go. Have you got the? Oh, you got it up. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, cool. I wonder if this is that project that Luca was talking about, Project Quantum.
Oh.
That's my guess. And he went on a stream yesterday with Kamsky, and he said he's still really bullish about Project Quantum. And he said if you guys research, you can probably figure out what it is. And then I saw this post, and I was like, I reckon Quantum's got to do with AI. And they've been building something AI out.
Interesting. I wonder how that works. Yeah.
So I've got no idea what that means, anything I've just said, but yeah, I'm going to start to. I'm guessing that's what he's talking about. Quantum sounds AI to me.
Yeah.
But I don't know what. Yeah. I don't know what. But Lucas said it's one of the best things to hit cryptocurrency this decade. So
this decade.
I don't know. No, I'm fabricating, but so that's what I took.
When did Ethereum launch? In the past decade.
That's what I took out of it, Greeny. Anyway.
Yeah. So, that's cool. Hey, I love how much they're shipping. It makes me excited. It makes me keen to explore their ecosystem.
Yeah. I think it's good. I like seeing them pipe up. I think they're gonna. Well, they've been pushing, and I think we're only going to see them push more. So hopefully, whatever this Project Quantum coming out is, whatever he's been working on, hopefully it's extremely bullish for the ecosystem, and we all make a shitload of money. Just need Bitcoin to do something for me, man, because I'm heavily ported there. So I need Bitcoin to pump. But no, nice to see the team over there shipping and give us something else to talk about as well. So please ship more abstracts so I can talk about other things other than Bitcoin looking bad.
Yeah. Here we go. So cigar. I would say cigar, but it is cigar. Today we're rolling out dedicated NFT section in the abstract portal. NFT communities are a core part of the ecosystem. We're dedicated to the entire section for them. Now Discover tab. So that's pretty dope. The portal is updating. Love to see it. On-chain heroes. Yeah, I mean, Wolf Game seems to be doing good as well. Yeah, it'd be super. I mean, super easy. Like, yeah, I mean, it's good to see. They're shipping hard. I have noticed a massive shift in momentum over the past couple of days. So, yeah, it's sick to see Wolfgang back on here as well. I mean, we spoke obviously to Seed Phrase yesterday. So if you are an OG of crypto, we interviewed Seed Phrase yesterday. You can go to our Kick channel literally right now and watch that back later today. So that was the first interview we'd had for a while, Craig. So it was pretty dope to have Seed Phrase on the channel.
Yeah, super nice guy.
He's a great guy. Another Aussie, mate. Another Aussie.
Yeah, great, dude. I'll explore that later today, I think, just to distract myself. I'll muck around with a few wolves, with a few sheep and try and avoid the wolves. That hopefully, and I'll go to the other side as well. So can we take avatars into the other side yet?
I don't know. I haven't looked at that.
Personally. Yeah. What if I can take my moonbird in there? That'd be cool.
Let's have a look. Other side. Let's have a look. I mean, this looks pretty epic, but it's just, I don't know, it's the wrong time to be shipping a product, in my opinion, like right now, isn't it? So the next set is open. This was literally posted yesterday. Entering the living world of the other side. Coders, welcome home. Did Coders pump off the back of this news?
No, not really. I had a look.
I thought I'd swing trade some of them, but no. Other side code, no, they're not. They're a 0.8.
I thought about getting a coder based on this, but then I thought about it again and decided not.
That volume, like, it's an idle video. That's the land that you have in the other side.
Yeah.
Visually, dude, the power it must have to visually create this, like.
Oh man, like it's pretty epic, dude.
If this slaps, this could be revolutionary. I really
agree.
Like,
I'm thinking this could be very cool, dude.
It just better not be shit. Like, if you go in there and it's just real basic, it's not like, if it's a big open world where you can like do a whole range of stuff, like this, like GTA style sort of stuff, like that could be seriously epic.
Yeah, it looks pretty cool because it's like you could go on like treasure hunts and things like that. So you can get in-game items. Obviously, you can get like ApeCoin and things like that. So I think that for me is pretty cool, man, that you can earn an in-game currency that has an actual value that you could sell your ApeCoin into Bitcoin, God forbid. But they're laying down the railways for something fucking cool. So look, I like gaming. I know you do, Greeny. So I'm cheering this on. This is good for the whole space. So I need this. Well, I don't need this, but it'll be cool. It'll be cool if this kicks ass, like you just said. If this slaps, we may be able to get a whole bunch of people that hated on NFTs to actually maybe take a look at us, maybe. So, but hopefully the gameplay is fun.
So can anyone play, or do you need to hold an asset or something, or ApeCoin or something to dive in? Or
I think anyone can play. I think you can just jump in. So I think we should probably stream this sometime next week. Even
that's actually a good shout. Maybe we should. Do you want to reach out to
Figgy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll get him on now. It's probably the right time since he's shipping stuff.
Let's do that. Let's get him.
Yeah, maybe we can explore it with the big fella.
There's a lot of apes here. I mean, I assume if you own said ape, you can use it in. I mean, the ape that looks. I'm not gonna lie. This looks pretty fucking dope. This looks.
Yeah, it looks cool, man. Like they look cool. Otherwise, I think you just have those other avatars, which I'm fine with.
Yeah, unless you own. Dude, I kind of apes are historic, but I don't know. Like C Phrase was talking yesterday. I think the one NFT that I would love to just buy low and just hodl is a punk. Like I do genuinely want to get back into a punk.
Yeah, because there's no.
Oh, she was dumping.
98.
98.8.
Just get it over with Bitcoin. Just get it over.
Send it to 89K now.
69. Just get 69 done.
Send it to 50K now.
Send it to the CME gap at 16K, whatever it is.
Oh, dude, yeah, no, that is such a bearish close, in my opinion. Like, that is the worst daily close we've had since May, Craig. That's not good. That is not good.
Oof. Oof.
So, you think people that used to think those ape pictures are stupid and are suddenly going to say, hey, look at those apes. That's kind of cool. I still think apes are a cool PFP. I do. I think they're iconic. I think, unfortunately, a lot of scammers used them. A lot of people also got burnt with them. They round tripped 150 ETH down to 4 or 5 ETH now. Like, Mutants absolutely slapped down to like one ETH as well. I don't know. Yeah, it's an interesting. I think it's cool. I think people move on from crypto as well. I think people move on from crypto pretty quickly. So what happened in the past, people let go of. People forget a lot of things, but like also scammers. Like if someone scams them, like people move on like 2 weeks later. All right, we're bouncing exactly off the GP. You want to see this hold. You want to see this hold here and kind of push up here back towards that. Like that is the last hope is right here, chap.
Yeah, we're on the front lines now, Greeny.
We're on the front lines. We're gonna do a longer stream today, Craig. I reckon we're gonna do a longer stream today.
God, hey, I might just go toilet quickly, Greeny.
Yeah, mate. Okay. I have a call at 12, so I can go till like 11. I reckon.
Yeah, give me 1 sec.
Oh, that's a good buying pressure there, guys, on the 5 minute. That's what we want to see. But yeah, I know, chat. Let me know. Do you think you'll be using the? Oh, dude, this actually. You know what? We'll watch this video when Craig gets back because this looks this looks pretty dope. Of the first Grateful 8 of the other side. Yeah, we'll do a longer stream today. So Garrett Jack says you can fight random players now. Some collections like G-Wapes had the entire collection rigged. Some are just a few selection models. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, cool. All right, we're holding the GP. Love to see that. Love to see that. It's a really good wick on the 5 candle, on the 5 mini. Really good wick there. Really nice wick. All right, chat. Let's. This is an important close, so I'm happy to stay here for a little longer and see us kind of hold these levels. Wait, what? 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 I'm so confused. All right. Yeah. Got to hold this low now. If that's the reaction off that golden pocket, you got it. You want to hold that low. That's very important there. All right. I'll wait for Craig to get back because this other side video looks good. Oh, GW apes. GW apes. Okay, we'll look at that shortly. Guys, if you're new here, drop a follow. If you want to go into the chance to win $900 and $100 GTG giveaway today, guys, sub to the channel. We really appreciate it. It goes a long way. But you then go into the competition and we'll be giving that away at the end of the episode. Now, there will be obviously volume requirements for the people on Yeet already. And then also, if you are new, you need to have a little bit of volume on Yeet. Otherwise, we cannot give you the giveaway too if you do sub to the channel. Prop Hectic Tiger. Thanks for the follow on the channel, legend. Appreciate you. All right, well, Craig's going to, I don't know, maybe Craig's taking his time. GG Martin. Yes. The answer is yes, because we messed up last week. Correct. Yes. You get 2 entries. Yes, because last week I messed up with that giveaway. My apologies. All right, is Craig back yet? Goodness me. 90. Ah, oh, dude, this chart. Come on, Bitcoin. It doesn't look healthy, guys. It's kind of the takeaway, right? Kind of the takeaway. It's interesting to see that coders didn't even pump, actually. And we have a look at this, because coders didn't even pump at the release of this. They've gone nowhere in the last 30 days. If anything, they've been going down since the launch of Other Side, which is crazy. Oh, man. All right, I want to watch this video. But I want Craig to obviously tune into it too. So I'll just wait 5 minutes. So chat, it's just me and you at the moment. All I need is a chance, GG. I know. Over your... Hey, it depends on the volume, guys. There's a volume cutoff this week for the people who are already on Yeet. And then if you sub, there will also be a slight volume cutoff as well. And I'll get your usernames later in the app. Dude, Craig, what are you doing, bro? All right, he's hopefully coming back now. 99. Come on, man. Come on. Want to see a reaction back up this way. Craig's gone, guys. He's not coming back. He's left me. Should we talk about Oz CryptoCon before we go on? So next weekend, guys, we'll be down in Sydney. Speaking at Oz CryptoCon. So come check us out if you're coming. I've met Amy, right? I know a lot of these people, actually, which is cool. Craig, there he is, big man. So we'll be talking 10:30 next Sunday. We'll be talking next Sunday for an hour with OKX, in partnership with OKX. That'll be super cool. And then I'm also talking on the Saturday as well at about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, talking about derivatives trading, actually, which is super fun with some other good traders as well. So yeah, super excited. Should be lots of fun. Oz CryptoCon. Craig, we're bouncing. We're trying to bounce from this golden pocket level. I love to see it. I wanted to show you this. Grateful 8 actually has a 5-minute clip from Nexus. So I thought we could watch that together.
Yeah, let's go.
All right.
Thanks,
so Craig's finally back. Craig is finally back. Holy.
Craig is such a nice dude, to be honest. Thank you, Mike.
Hey, what about Greeny? Nah, Greeny seems like a
he's a prick, eh?
Hubby's in the chat for wanker.
Yeah, he's a bear.
Craig, I cannot. You know what? The one thing that I'm annoyed about Oz CryptoCon is the first cricket test starts next weekend as well. I'm like and it's the Ashes, obviously. So Australia versus New Zealand. Australia versus England. So it's such a disappointment that I went
iconic.
Sit myself out there on the couch, have the laptop open, and just watch the cricket.
That's good, man. I
Test
like
match cricket is the best by far.
Easy to relax to, eh?
Yeah. You just get into a routine. The wife's like, "What did you do all day?" I just watched 7 hours of cricket.
So good.
Bunch looks in such good form too. He looks dangerously good. Smithy, love to see it. All right,
everybody, Great Flame here, and this is my first time in the Nexus.
Can you hear that?
Yeah.
The intro, I'm speechless, guys. The intro here, I didn't want to record it so I don't spoil the experience to you, because I don't want to do any spoilers from the intro because it was incredible. It was insane how we ended up here.
So there's an intro. Okay, so that's what he just said. There's an intro. Excuse me. An intro into this, obviously, Nexus. So he said it's really cool. So I assume maybe it is worthwhile checking out, guys, if you haven't.
And look at this place. It's absolutely incredible. This is the first time I'm here. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's happening.
Trying to see if I know any of the names.
Yeah, same.
It's just.
I saw Otis, but I don't know.
Beautiful. I don't know what we even.
Kind of reminds me a lot of like.
We're gonna try to go there and see around. I saw some people on the timeline that there are some mini games.
So there are mini games.
I don't know where I am. I don't know this place. Ooh.
Oh, what the hell? Journey.
Wow.
Oh. What the? Oh my god.
Awaken reward.
Kind of like Creative World in Fortnite, to be honest.
Temple of Spark. I think we should.
This looks. I mean, it's good to see they've been building. It's the first takeaway, Craig.
Yeah. It is good to see they've been doing something.
Here and
I think NFT lovers should be bullish on this.
Yeah, same.
If you love crypto, you love NFTs, you should be bullish on this.
Yeah, you want this to succeed massively.
I don't know how many people we have here.
You can jump off.
But look at that! Like this, isn't this?
Where's your health bar, bro?
Beautiful.
Yeah, where is
it? Parachute,
bro. It really reminds me of the Wizard.
No gravity.
When we were in Vegas in the Sphere, like you have.
I mean, it looks sick, but I still like. Are there any games?
Look at that.
Yeah, can you fight? Chat? Is anyone? I know there's many games coming up. One of them's a first-person shooter.
Yeah, someone said you can fight. Garrett said earlier you can fight.
We have people running all over the place.
So you can emote, there's voice, there's tasks to chat in-game.
Nice.
What's
so
Bubbles?
What's up, guys?
People are talking.
I'm making a video. I don't know what to do. Help me. What should I do, guys? Help me.
There you are. Oh, so the voice comes up when you talk. That's kind of cool.
Let's go. Let's go in a bubble. You want to go in a bubble?
Yeah, I just got here, bro. Like, is there...
In front of you is the Dakota Temple.
Dakota Temple, okay.
At the Dakota Temple, you also find the Temple Gardens. In the gardens, you'll find several different biomes of deeds that you have seen
different
like
biomes,
29
different deeds.
biomes. So the temple gardens, all different types of biomes. To your right, you're gonna find the heights. The portal for the heights will take you to Starlight Park. Now,
So I just chat for a while.
it'll send you several challenge.
So there's challenge, you can fly, fun and games. This looks sick. I just wonder how much bloody is this going to push back your computer? That's a real question. I wanted to see him actually do something.
It's so big. It's crazy.
And go try to complete the challenge.
So there's challenges and portals. Yeah, this looks pretty dope.
Yeah, I think there's a, what do you call it? Like a speed run challenge or something where you've got to get.
Ah, yeah, cool. Yeah, cool. Nice reaction here off the Golden Pocket, guys. Nice reaction here off the Golden
Here we go.
58 viewers. Let's go, guys. If you're new here, drop a follow. If you want to win some cash, hit subscribe.
Oh, you're on the 5 minute.
Yeah, we're on the 5 minute chart here. We're on the 5 minute.
Wow, because I was looking for a reaction. I was like, what chart are you on? What time frame? I see nothing.
I'm just running through the speakers at Oz CryptoCon. So, who else do we know? We'll start on page one. Rachel Binance. I'd never met her, actually. Never met her. No Bergs. Jason Tipman from SwiftX. Met him last year. Amy Rose, Craig. We actually met her recently at our other OKX event. Let's have a look. Ben, I know from Collective as well. Charlie Lee, mate. He must be zooming in on to talk about Litecoin.
Fantastic.
Do I know this man?
Craig Roberts, let's go.
Love to see it.
Yang, otherwise known as Yang, your quant.
The quant.
I should have put that into my bio, just Yang.
Darren speaking twice. Love to see it.
Greedy, eh? Greedy?
Crypto myths, debunking FUD, scams, media narratives, crypto, how to support our communities via community. That's cool. David will be speaking with us. Will speaking with me. I think he might be on with us on the Sunday too, potentially. I'm not sure. I don't know if that's been confirmed. He's a good man. Obviously, the founder. He'll be a busy man. He'll be so. Hey, I get him. Let's go.
Yeah, you get the big dog.
Wait, shitcoin survivor. Are they talking about meme coins? If they are, I should be there. Gabby, she's amazing chick. Big fan. We've known each other for a while now. She's a good chick. The one and only who has a ridiculously long introduction.
Yeah, I know. Did anyone else get that?
I don't know. Greggy from obviously Greggy, massive fan of Greggy. Good man, Greggy. Do I know any of these people here? I don't know. I think Jack Robertson. I don't know if. No, it's not. Never mind. No, it's not. Someone commented once on a post of mine on Twitter. It was like, yeah, I'll see you at ACC. I'm talking with you. I was like, I don't know who you are, man. Like, who are you? Like, we haven't talked and met before. James from Binance met them last year. He's a good dude. Checkmate. This guy's pretty famous, actually. He runs one of the biggest newsletters in crypto. Literally like on-chain statistics. That is the guy you want to go to. That is literally the guy you want to go to. Is Checkmatey on Twitter. Yeah, he's got a big following. Way bigger than us. Pizzino, no surprise to see him back. Let's have a look.
Yeah, he's probably got the Australian Crypto Convention on lock, the Pizzino brothers. I'd say
probably.
they'll be there for the next 2 decades.
I think he talks. Oh no, they're on the Uptrade. Is that the one we're on? Uptrade Leaden Theatre. I don't know.
No, we're a different one.
Uptrade. No, we are Uptrade Leaden Theatre. We're in the same theater as what he's on. Hey, I love that. I love that. Shout out to Joni. She's fantastic. I know her as well. Who else do we know here? Kate Cooper's obviously OKX. Minotaur trading system, that actually would be algorithm. Craig, I want to go to that.
You reckon that'd be good?
That would actually be very interesting to go to from a trading perspective. I believe this guy was supposed to be on my stage, but I don't know if he's coming. But yeah, I think that is the guy, Kyle. I think I'll be on talking with him. I've never met him before. Liam, shout out to Liam from Binance. Good dude. Dude, there's a lot of people coming in. Matt, shout out to Matty. He's a good lad. We've been knowing each other for a long time. Who else we got? Oh, there he is, Craigie. There's the other one.
Big Michael, and you got Rachel down there. We met her at one of the events.
Oh yeah, Rachel met her. She's stable coins in Australia as well. That's kind of cool. Oh, Orlando, there the big man is as well. He's a good dude. This guy's a good dude. From Binance. I met him last year. Obviously, Praz will be interviewing us or chatting with us on the Sunday. So this is Praz from OKX as well. So cool to see him on the list as well. Raul, I wonder if he's going to talk about how bullish that Sui chart is. You know what? I need to be in there. Raul, call him out.
Imagine asking him that question.
Oh, he would hate it, bro. He'd hate it. He'd hate me. Don't know any of these people. Then the last page. Tim, CoinSpot, met him last year. Tim from Dogecoin. Tommy, absolute legend, Tommy. Tommy's a good dude. Yeah, cool. So there's a lot of people talking, Craig.
There's a lot of people going, speaking. There's probably more speakers than there are attendees.
Yeah, I think it has sold out. Even though it says 85% on the website, I think it has officially sold out. So that's exciting. This smells like a bear market show.
Yeah, it's good, Talking about gaming.
Well, hey, the bear market's not over because we have set a higher low here. We have set a higher low here off the golden pocket, of the retrace, of this move. So, hey, that's good. I mean, this is a trade you can take too. I should have even looked at this move, but you can trade the 50% to the 50%. So if this is your move, I wonder, don't make it that easy for me. No, I didn't quite get that. I was going to say, if this pushed up, here's a trading strategy for you. If this, this is your trend on any time frame, if it pushed up to the 50%, usually it does retrace back to the 50% of that range as well. So that you just want to short there to there is like a simple trade before you continuation of the trend or it pulls back lower. So yeah, there's a little sneaky alpha trip for you as well, but I wasn't watching. But we didn't even get to the 50% at 101. But hey, nice reaction here of the golden pocket. I know, Craig, I think that's probably all we can really speak about today. Should we give away the cash, guys? Who's keen?
Let's give away some money. Put a smile on some people's or one person's face today.
All right, should we do a giveaway? We'll do a giveaway. All right. Should I do the GTG giveaway first?
Yes.
All right. And I'm gonna say you have to be live in the chat. If you're not live, you don't win the giveaways. Fair?
Yeah. Yeah, I agree.
All right. Tajia, you're already in TGG. GTG. So I can't add you to the sub. Mike, you're going into the GTG comp. Going to the GTG comp. All right. Mike's in the GTG comp. Tino goes into the GTG comp. And hey, guys, if you sub right now, you can qualify. OXCCM goes into the GTG comp. Who else subbed? Oh, Wolfie, if you want to go for the GTG comp now would be a good time to gift a sub. Tig goes into it. I don't know if Tig's watching though, so he might not qualify. Dead Oxide goes into it. Plastic Cornet goes into it. Dead Oxide, and I think there was one more. I just need to go check my screenshot history. Just give me a second. This is for GTG giveaway, guys. GTG giveaway. Let's check that. Where is it? There it is. Chianti gifted a sub. But Chianti, you're already in GTG, so I can't give it to you. Angelos, the last person.
Hey, another sub. Let's go. Filch. Wolfie.
Filch goes in the giveaway. Now, Filch, don't forget, if you do some Yeet volume before we do the giveaway as well, you could qualify for the 900 buckaroonies. Filch, thanks for the sub. Appreciate you. Wolfie gifted a sub to Regular Duck. Regular Duck gets a giveaway. I mean, not a giveaway. Gets the sub to the channel. Let's go. Love to see it, guys. Love to see it. We got 46 viewers, guys. So if you are new here, we are live every day. We give you real time frame trading. We're doing giveaways of $1,000 every single week. So smash the follow and sub. If you want to win these giveaways, smash the sub. Maybe I'll do another giveaway for GTG next week. I'm feeling generous. Feeling generous at the moment.
It's give it all away.
W's in the chat for Wolfie. W's in the chat for Filch. W's in the chat for that as well, for Filch. All right, guys. First giveaway. Let's go.
All right. So this is for the GTG membership.
This is for GTG membership. Here we go. Now you do have to be here live. So if someone on this list wins and they're not currently here live and they don't respond to me after they give away, they don't win the GTG spot, guys. They don't win the GTG spot. OXCCM. All right. Let's see how you go. Guys. Filch, let's F and go. Love to see it. All right. Shuffle. Craig, tell me when.
All right, 3, 2, 1, spin them.
All right, here we go, guys. This is for the GTG giveaway.
Here we go. Tino,
Zeth. Congratulations, Tino. Are you still live? Are you still here, Tino?
I think Tino just subbed today.
Yeah, Tino subbed today. Tino was live, but I don't know if Tino's still here. All right, Tino, what is can you DM me on Twitter, Tino, and can you just take a screenshot of your Kick profile to prove that you are Tino? Send me a DM on Twitter, Greeny Trades. Ovi, you haven't subbed. This is it was for subs of people who gifted a sub or people who subbed to the channel in the past couple of days only. So yeah, Tino, Zeth, send me a DM on Twitter. Prove that you obviously own the account of Tino Zeth on Kick. And I'll give you the link to join GTG for a month. Congratulations. We might do another one next week.
Yeah, good work, Tino. Well, congratulations.
All right. Filch, okay. Now I just need to check, guys. Oh, you got gifted. Ovi got gifted by Mando. So Ovi, you'll have to sub next month. I mean, once your Mando one expires, you'll have to do it yourself, I believe. Okay. So guys, now the giveaway will be for Yeet, $900. Now there is a cutoff, so I'm just going to go check it now just to double check if the cutoff has changed. So I'm refreshing it. 66.7. Have we done a bit of volume on the app? 58 viewers. Let's go. 67. We did a bit of volume. Love to see it. Little bit of volume. Having a look. Okay. Now, I'm going to check a couple of people who have subbed to the channel to see if you do qualify, okay? So here's my list, which means we have selected a certain volume requirement for this $900 giveaway. But I will be checking, obviously, the people who subbed. So if you are someone that has less volume on Yeet and you're watching the show and you aren't subbed, hint, hint, sub to the channel.
Get subbing.
You've got a couple minutes while I do a bit of admin work. All right, now let me check. So, Filch, I need usernames. So, new people who subbed, I need usernames on Yeet for me, please. Yeah, Tino's, please DM me on, Greeny Trades on X. Yes, please. Yeah, and just screenshot it for me. All right, Filch, Filch, are you on Yeet or not? Because your current username for Kick isn't the same on Yeet if you are. If you're not, then you don't get the chance to win. I'm under burn code. So you're under a different code? As in you're on a different leaderboard? Damn, man, that's a shame. OX says Candy Crush Mum. OX, are you a mum? OX definitely qualifies. 333 volume. Love to see it. So OX definitely qualifies. That's good. We'll keep you in. Let's go.
Candy Crush Mum.
CCM is a mum. I love to see it. CCM, Candy Crush Mum. Love to see it. Yes, undercode burn has no board. Wrecked. Dude, Filch, send him a DM and say you're part of GC Crypto. Can you be swapped to our leaderboard? So then we can give you some cash. Okay, Mike7 is your username on Zeet. All right, let's have a look. Let's double check. Mike7, nice. Okay, good. I'll allow it. I will allow it. So Mike7.
Mike.
And what? Hold on, let me just go back and make sure I get the right username. So it was Candy Crush Mum rather than OXCCM. Okay, Tino's. What's your username? Yeah, Ovi, relax, let's relax. Ovi, just relax, okay? Relax.
Yeah. Everyone's in the draw except anyone's name starting with O.
Yeah. Anyone that has a name, anyone that has Sol in their name?
Yeah. Who's there? Sorry.
I don't. Okay, so Tino, you don't have Yeet. No problem. You're off the list. Tajia, do you have Yeet? And that's the last one I need to check. I think Roxy, what's your username again? I think you'll say less, isn't it, from memory? Roxy, when was the last time you sent a message? Yeah, a while ago. Roxy, you still here? That meme of Leonardo from The Great Gatsby is so good. I love it. In the chat, it's the Keck Leo. It's so good.
The one where he's holding the shot glass, not that one. Yeah. Black magic work this time. Let's go.
Hold on. Wait, Tajir, are you still here? I'll give Tajir a minute. And Tajir, if you do you have any volume on Yeet? If not, Tajir isn't live on Yeet, if that is your username. If Tajir's here, I'll take him off the list as well. And then Roxy, if you're here, Roxy, are you here? I think Roxy is say less from memory. Is that ring a bell, Craig?
What's that?
Roxy on Kick is say less from memory.
Yes, it does.
All right, we're giving $900 away literally in minutes, guys. I mean, Roxy, if you don't reply, I'm not going to add you.
Uh-oh.
But guys, just a reminder, you have to be live. Now, next week, I think we're going to mix it up next week because Friday next week, we probably actually won't have a show, Craig, unless we do it in the evening. Maybe I stream. Oh, no, we got a few events in the evening. Maybe it's a late night stream Friday night I could do. Maybe, I mean, you don't have to as well. Maybe we could do that. Maybe we have a beer and have a Friday night stream. That could be fun. Because Friday we'll be both traveling. So no show next Friday. So we might be, I would highly recommend if you are on Yeet, on Yeet, you tune into every episode next week, okay? Every live show next week because we will be giving away some cash. Yeah, Vision, we got you. Okay, well, Roxy's not here, so I'm going to take her off the list. Tajia, obviously not here as well. I'm going to take them off the list as well. Okay. All right, the cutoff this week, guys, and we will be tracking. So we actually, next week will be more active, right? So I will actually, so just for clarification, there is a cutoff for volume this week for the $900 giveaway. It is going to be $1,000. So Big Ovi is lucky because he's just qualified with 5 extra cents. But next week, guys, rather than it's just the dominance of the people who have more volume already, I will be actively looking at who has volume right now and who has actually put volume through next week. And those people will win the $1,000 that we have to give away next week. Okay, so think about strategies and make sure you tune in every day because we'll be watching day to day. Okay, we'll be giving away day to day cash next week. Could be $250 a day next week for the 4 days that we're doing. Okay, so we're going down to 1,000 this week, Craig. Happy with that? Anything you wanted to say?
No, I think the full 900 one clip, and maybe next week we can spread it out over a few days. So make sure you guys tune in Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. There's actually the whole week, actually, except for the last day, probably. Yeah,
so Friday we won't have a show unless we do it on the late Friday night, maybe. Friday night. So, all right, guys, here we go. Here is the list. Good luck. GG Martin has 2 entries because, wait, is GG Martin on the list twice? Yeah. GG Martin has 2 entries because I messed up with the GTG giveaway last week for him. So he does qualify for 2 entries this week, just to clarify for anybody that sees the double up name there. Everyone else is above the $1,000 volume if they are not here. If they are not here, this is a full $900, guys. A full $900 given away. And we'll be doing giveaway again next week. If the winner is not here, we remove them from the list and we spin again. All right, Craig, count me down. Give me some energy.
All right, 3, 2, 1, fire.
Woo! Here we go.
Let's freaking go.
Here we go. Undo, Zach. I don't think Zach's here. I don't think Zachy boy's here. No split. April says no split. We split it every other week. This is the first time we do 900. Nah, GG. This is, hey, we do it however we want. We usually split it up. We split it last week, 200, 300, 200, 200. We even gave 200 away or $100 away to the people who had sub $100 of volume on Yeet. So, hey, we've been generous. We're giving someone $900. I don't think Zach's here, so we're going to have to spin again.
Yeah, hit it again. Unlucky.
Zach's not here. I'll give him another 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7. Filch, I love that. I love that wreck guy. I love that emoji. It's the wreck guy is just so iconic. I love it. April. Well, hey, April, if you do volume over the next week, we'll be keeping track of it. We'll be keeping a track of it, okay, for the next week. So make sure you think about that, okay? It won't be just the top volume, okay? It's different this week. It is different this week. All right. Zach, not here, removed. Here we go. Craig, tell me when. He
just missed out on $900, dude.
I think Zach is okay.
Fuck. Oh, yeah. All right. 3, 2, 1.
Here we go. Let's have a look. I need to tell him. I think Here we go. Vision, Flora. Oh, Flora. Flora won a couple weeks ago, maybe, I think, from memory. Flora, are you still here? Chianti says over 150K volume here, but on another code. Dude, you need to change to our community, bro. You need to change to our community, Chianti. Send them a DM. Send Mando. Flora's here. Let's go. Congrats to Flora. Flora has replied in the chat. Congrats. W's in the chat for Flora, guys. That's amazing. Massive shout out to Flora. Flora is always tuned in pretty actively in our Kick channel. So I love to see it. Hey, we're at 50 viewers, guys. So if you are new here, drop a follow. We're live every single day, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 9 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, giving you proper alpha, realistic alpha, not just up only, hope and buy. We're real on this channel, and we're giving away $1,000 cash every single week. All right, Tino, DM me on Twitter. I'll sort you out. And Craig will sort you out as well, Flora as well. It's Flora Let me just clarify the username on. It's Fluoro. Fluoro01. Craig is the username.
$900. What a great.
Congrats for hey, appreciate you. Hey, Flora, if you're feeling generous with the 900, give some subs. Give some subs. Maybe that supports. But hey, you do what you want. Congrats, obviously, Flora as well. That's huge. But next week, guys, next week. So what I mean by what I'm going to do, I'm literally coming right now. Okay. And I'm screenshotting every single person right now. Okay. Every single person. All right. And I'm going to be tracking every individual and their volume over the next week. Okay. So it's going to be anybody. So April, there you are, number 30. Okay. April, I'm keeping track of you at 143, 141. Okay. I'm keeping track of you. Okay. So people who do volume until next week's giveaways, you guys will be the one that could go into your chance to win $100 Roonies. All right. So not just the people at the top. We're switching it up today. Next week. We're switching it up next week. All right. That's just how the cookie crumbles sometimes. So people with the dollar volume, maybe think about it again. Dan DeFi with $2.50 volume. Dan DeFi used to do thousands of volumes. I don't know what's happened to Dan DeFi over there. Congrats, Flora. Congrats. You're welcome. Hey, April, as I said, we're not going to lower. Hey, April, last week we gave away $100 to someone below 100. We gave away $200 between someone between 100 and 500 volume. The week before that, we had $200 between 1,000 and 100. So we've been doing it for a long time, guys. Go back to watch the replays. If you're new here, go back and watch the replays. It's not our first time, not our first rodeo. We'll give away cash to multiple people how we want to do it. Okay, how we want to do it. And it's nice that it goes to someone like Flora, who has been tuning in live for quite a while. Love to see that. Crypto. Oh, dude, Craig. Oh, not looking good. Looking good, guys. I mean, if we only stay at 99 today and we go to sleep tonight with 99, that means America's going to dump us to 90K overnight, Craig. So we'll wake up at 89K Bitcoin tomorrow morning, I reckon.
98. We're back at the 98. Oh, here we go.
Oh, dude, we're already back at 98. Want to see these levels hold. Disappointing, chat. Disappointing.
Oh, well, looks like I'm going to go buy a little bit of Bitcoin.
Linda, drop a sub. You could have qualified. Linda, you only just joined now, maybe, or maybe you've been watching. But hey, Linda, if you did drop a sub to the channel, you would have qualified with your 800 volume for this episode.
Hell yeah, 800's decent.
800 is good. But Linda, hey, someone like you, if you do volume in the next week, guys, we're tracking. I know it's a month leaderboard, which is cool, but we're tracking week to week now. Okay, we are going to be tracking week to week. All righties. Appreciate you, Mike. Appreciate you, legend. No troubles. Full price is nice. Yeah, we got to mix it up. Hey, we can't just split $1,000 every week, Craig.
I think sometimes it's nice to just do a monster one. Get a nice win. Go in the week. I mean, Bitcoin's down, but they're up $900. That's pretty sweet.
Hey, that's pretty friendly. Hey, and it could have been you. Hey, people being upset. It could have been you. Okay, we gave you we gave you an hour and 45 minutes to sub to do some volume. So the ball is in your court.
We'll probably break it up next week, Ovi. We'll probably break it up, I think, over different days as well. So it won't just be like today. It'll be maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, something like that. So just encourage everyone to turn up during the blood.
Yeah.
Come and turn up every day.
I hazard a guess, Craig. It will be every single episode next week.
Ooh, there you go. Okay, money every time. So get on there, guys. Bitcoin. Hopefully we tune in next week, guys, when we're at 128,000 for Bitcoin.
I hope so too. Hey, I don't want to end this stream. We got good viewership today. 46 viewers in the house. Appreciate it. If you are new, drop a follow. It's got our average. Hey, we've gone up a whole 1 person average from today's episode, Craig. We're at 15.73. Still a long way from 50. Still
20 next. 20's next. It's a bloody slog on this, isn't it?
Kick is tough, man. Kick is tough.
Fuck. Feel like a rookie over there.
Yeah. All right, guys. Subbing is really required, bro. My card not working. No. It was just a special giveaway for today. But if you we gave away $100 worth GTG month subscription for new subs. And we also gave away 900, but normally it's just Yeet people who are over on Yeet. But hey, I mean, MXRES crypto, if you do sub the channel, it definitely helps your odds. It does help your odds. you'd get to boost and all those sorts of things. Hey? And it supports us. It supports us. All right, Craig. Anything else we want to talk about? Oh, Bitcoin looks horrible here. It doesn't look good. Oh my Lord. We are dumping. Dumpola.
This is the final dip before we send.
I hope so.
Yeah. Oh man, that 5-minute chart is spectacular.
Oh, dude, that just explained it. This is like, it doesn't look good, chat. It doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. I mean, the fact that we are now like, I mean, if we don't hold these lows, yeah, this is the worst daily close we've had literally since May.
Final flush out, Greenie.
Oh, God.
This is just a healthy pullback. It's just washing out weak hands. Actually, it's washing out all the hands.
It's washing out my hands. That's what.
Yeah, I'm done with crypto, Greenie. Fuck cryptocurrency.
Oh shit, man. Oh shit.
Oh well, the thing is, you got to take the good with the bad. And if you, what's that saying? If you can't handle me on my dumps, you don't deserve my pumps. Something like that. Yeah. So, this is unfortunately the game, guys. You have wild volatility in crypto, and yeah. You get big pumps up, and you get what's this as far as a pullback from all-time highs? This we've broken 30% now?
No, only 20, bro. Only 20.
Oh, well then there's plenty of time to the downside.
Yeah, we have so much room to the downside.
Fuck. Are you sure it's not 30?
No, it's 21, Craig. 21%. All right, guys. That might do it for this week's shows. Thanks so much for the new subs. Hey, I hope you guys appreciate the content. We'll be back, as we said, next week, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 9 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, guys. Thanks for hanging with us. Thanks for all the new subs. Thanks for all the new follows. Congrats to Flora for the 900. Congrats to Tino for the $100. GTG free month. Dead Oxide, send me a DM if you're still here. I want to sort you out because you've been supporting us. Send me a message. I'll talk to you about a discount offer. We'll be giving away more cash next week. We might even give away a GTG again next week. We'll think about it, Craig. And actually keep an eye out. End of month, I might drop a little bit of a discount code for GTG because it is Black Friday sales, and that is usually the best time to drop sales in the year. So keep an eye out, guys. Hopefully BTC can hold 98. If not, guys, I'll see you at 89 on Monday after America dumps on their heads for the next consecutive 3 days. Craig, anything else you want to leave us with?
Well, interesting enough, guys, 88,000 is a 30% pullback, so which is not abnormal for a bull run. So see you at 88.
What a sign off.
Yeah. No, I'm going to go buy. I'm still going to buy some Bitcoin today. I promised myself 98. I'm a buyer, so I will buy. I promise this is the last time. But no, other than that, big shout out to, as Greenie said, OKX Australia. We'll be repping them this time next week. Actually, I'll be flying. So that'll be cool. So big shout out to those guys over there. And then obviously Yeet for the big giveaway today. Shout out to Yeet for giving us that $900 or $1,000 this week to give away to our viewers. Obviously, make sure you do some volume. We are watching that weekly, even though it says monthly there. So make sure you are gambling responsibly weekly. Other than that, Greenie, I'm going to go play some games, take myself mind off the market, and then jump on a couple of calls with you, I think, at lunchtime. So the work does not stop. But we'll see you guys back Sunday for the Americans, Monday for the Australians and Kiwis and everyone else in the room just about. Other than that, hang in there, guys. Don't get too down. Don't get too despondent. Hug your loved ones and buy some Bitcoin maybe.
Have a good weekend, everyone. And we'll see you again on Sunday night, 6 p.m. or obviously 9 a.m. on Monday if you're in Australia. Thanks for hanging with us. Appreciate you all. And see you next week. Enjoy your weekend.